Imagine reviewing your bank statement only to find a charge you definitely did not make. It is a moment that can make anyone's heart race, sparking immediate worry about your money. What is your very next move? And more importantly, what happens if you delay taking action? If you do not report bank fraud quickly, you risk losing some or even all of the unauthorized funds. Federal consumer protection laws are in place to safeguard your money, but these protections significantly diminish or can be lost entirely if you do not act within specific timeframes set by law and your bank's policies. Swift reporting is your best defense. The core mechanism behind these protections is about shared responsibility. Federal regulations, like those for debit cards under the Electronic Fund Transfer Act, establish deadlines. For example, if you report an unauthorized debit card transaction within 2 business days of learning about it, your liability for the fraud is generally capped at $50. This is a powerful shield against significant loss, designed to encourage prompt action. However, delays beyond this initial window can rapidly increase your financial exposure. Specifically, if you wait longer than 2 business days, but still within 60 calendar days after your bank statement was sent, your potential liability can increase to $500. If you fail to report unauthorized transactions within 60 calendar days after your statement showing the fraud is made available, you could lose all the money from those unauthorized transactions and any subsequent ones your bank could have prevented had you reported sooner. This 60-day deadline is extremely critical. To avoid these serious consequences, always make checking your bank statements a regular habit. If you spot anything suspicious, contact your bank immediately by phone. Follow up with written confirmation if your bank requests it. Keep detailed records of when you reported the fraud, to whom you spoke, and any reference numbers provided. Also, be sure to understand your bank's specific fraud reporting procedures and how they define a business day or calendar day in their terms and conditions. Understanding these timelines empowers you to protect your funds proactively. Knowing that federal law limits your liability to just $50 if you report a debit card fraud within 2 business days provides immense peace of mind, but only if you take that crucial first step quickly. Many banks also offer enhanced protections, sometimes extending liability limits even further, especially for credit card fraud, where the maximum liability is often capped at $0 for unauthorized charges. This additional layer of security from your financial institution is a significant benefit, but it still hinges on timely notification. Ultimately, not reporting bank fraud quickly means missing out on the full protection that federal laws and your financial institution offer. Acting fast ensures you leverage these safeguards effectively, minimizing your financial loss and reducing stress. It turns a potentially devastating situation into a manageable one, allowing you to recover your funds and secure your accounts with confidence.